Marbar. Marbar. You like that bone? You've got disgusting puppy slobber all over our floor. And there she goes.
I put some peanut butter in both their bones. And they're having a ball. It's a good way to keep them occupied. Diesel doesn't like bones because Allie gives him his medicine and actual peanut butter, so he's terrified of peanut butter. Looking hard?
Me?
No, these two. It cracks me up so bad. Speak English. She's hungry and cranky. Yep, you're cranky. Do 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 do. How about Futurama? Ding 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 ding. She likes Futurama. Yeah, I thought you were down. Why do you have to be such a liar? You're a lying kitty. Oh my gosh, that's what she should be for Christmas or Halloween. A lion. You wanna be a lion? You sound like a weed whacker right now. Okay, a lawnmower. Okay, a Harley. Okay, a ninja bike. Is that better? A Ducati? Uh-oh. What? I still don't know what that means. I gotta upload the video, dude. You wanna help me? Oh, that's right, you're a cat and you can't. You just stop purring. What's wrong? Why'd you stop purring? Actually, internet, why do cats purr? I think I read somewhere like scientists have no idea. Not necessarily why or how. Something like that. I read something. Oh, there she goes. Now you're purring again. Today we decided to go to Morocco. It's been a long flight.
Okay.
It's been a long flight, you know what I mean? But it's kind of worth it.
I'd go to Morocco.
Our tickets, we have season passes or year passes to Busch Gardens, and we are almost to the end of the year and we haven't used it nearly enough. And apparently they switched our photos and our tickets, so when they scanned me, Allie came up, and when they scanned Allie, I came up, and the guy's face was like, I enjoyed it. But we figured, yeah, today would be actually a nice day. The sun's going away, so we came to the theme park. Which one do you want to go to first? I'm still so bummed that
I've been on that snake one, that you want.
Oh, you want it? Okay, let's do that.
I mean, if it's worth it.
It got me sick.
Shaking in my socks.
I have to use this right now because they caught me using the other camera, so I have to use this until we get on the ride, so
Oh my god!
Turn down. I think we actually got pretty lucky on that one. Just when we, I want to say landed, got back, they said that there was lightning in the area. Oh look, Hall Screen is going on right now.
I don't know if it's started.
It's gotta be, they're setting it up everywhere. I'm stoked for Halloween Horror Nights. I always find that one to be more fun. So this is what we tried to do, we just couldn't do it. I should have done a spider on your face.
Should have made you into the devil.
He likes turtles.
I like turtles.
Everything's on timeout right now. Worst case scenario, we at least got to come for free to ride one roller coaster. So I still think that's a win, babe.
And it was front.
And it was front, and we're getting exercise. Speaking of which, am I beating you right now?
89%. I'm at 88%.
So I'm beating you? I'm winning. Did you fart?
Yep.
Big old elephant's fart.
Pass gas right back to you, my friend.
There's a ride over here. What is it called? Tidal wave?
Yeah, they shut it down a long time ago.
Pretty much essentially abandoned. So I wanted to see if I can.
Put in there, though.
I bet you it's just gonna be nothing because there's a water ride. Just want to see if you can see anything. Oh wow, you can. Yeah, it's just chilling there, all abandoned. It's so sad because that was such a fun ride. Allie, look at this. It's so creepy.
Yeah, guess what? We didn't put that sound effect in there.
That's real. That's very loud, and I only got half of that because I couldn't turn the camera on.
Oh, listen to all the flamingos are like, they go, that's it, I'm going home, enough of this, I hear you girls and boys, let's get out of here. Come on guys, hop in the car. Can you imagine driving down the road and like have a bunch of flamingos in your car with their heads like poking out?
Their necks aren't strong enough, so they're just flopping all over.
Literally.
Like those noodle, those cool noodles.
You like cruise up on like a stoplight and there's this guy or girl who thinks they're too cool and they're like lounging in the car, and then I pull up and I got all these flamingos in my car. I'm just saying.
Probably slightly insane.
Due to severe weather in the immediate area, normal operations have been temporarily suspended. Please seek shelter quickly and safely. All outdoor shows, attractions, and rides.
Alright, we should probably leave. Want to know a fun fact? In college, I had to do a piece on animals or something like that. And I remember taking my old camera and going like this. And I had this on, and it swung right here, and it snapped the lens. This pole right here, right in the middle of this bridge. That was before all those warranties. Saloon. Well, we got at least one ride in, so I feel like that was victorious.
And it got shut down.
Then we shut it down. They were like, okay, they left. Now the cool people are gone, so I don't know. I have no idea what I'm talking about. What?
I don't know. What the hell is this, IKEA? Looks like the Greys.
I know, it does look like the Greys and People of Earth.
They know what they're doing.
By the way, there's a new episode, and I watched it without you.
What the what?
It was a good one.
Alright, babe, find our car.
Over there. I'm hitting it. Our car is so quiet. Is that us? Yep, that's us. What was that? One more time?
Right, but we walked over there to get onto the tram.
Yep.
So I was technically right.
No, I knew we walked over there.
I know.
Wait, you want to say it again?
You were right. 100%.
Yes. Yep. I gotta say, this is pretty nice of IKEA. It feels like we're always trying to do something. Okay, so I see lots of Marley hair and Diesel hair. I feel like we're always trying to do something new to the house. But I think that's good because like once you get everything you want in the house, I feel like you get bored and then you want to redo everything versus slowly doing things. But I feel like we've been doing a good job considering Allie and I have no idea how to decorate anything. Very potpourri mismatch. For our wedding registry, I'm not sure again who it was. CTF Exterior actually sent us a set of gold silverware as a joke, and it's so funny. It's like my favorite one now. And apparently they have it here too. It's just so ridiculous. I think it's so awesome. All right, you hungry? Let's go get food. That's some fancy stuff right there. Gotta get the chicken meatballs and the lingonberry. It always blows my mind. This was only like $7 for all this. Plus coffee.
Free coffee, by the way.
Free coffee. Because we're members. Brr, brr, brr.
I am a proud member of the IKEA family.
Let's just take a moment. Jeez. Let me see your hair. Let's just take a moment of Allie post roller coaster. Beautiful, sweetie.
This is how I get all the boys to come to my yard.
Okay, so getting ready to spoil our animals. Hey, we got pigs. Don't they like pigs? What can we get them? Get them a big old basketball.
Maybe get her a little pink pig.
Get a giant pencil.
Get Marley. Right.
No, Diesel needs that one. You think they'll like that?
I don't know why you're stressing, but I know that you will find it in time to be alone is depressing. And you're hurting, I can see it in your eyes. I know you will find your way from all this. I know there's a brighter day for you. Why are you stressing?
You done looking at 40 million pillows? I know you don't. You love what? Pillows? P-E-L-L-O-W-S?
Pilos.
Pilos. Naturally, anytime Allie and I go to any store, we come out with, there's a bunch of toys for the animals. Now we have +1, so we have even more. I just can only imagine what kind of crazy toys we get for our kids. Did you know Toys R Us just filed for bankruptcy too? I mean, it's really depressing actually. Mr. D gets to pick first.
I want the bird.
I knew he'd go for that one.
I want the bird.
I knew he'd take the bird. Mara's like, I want this one, I want this one, and I want this one.
Which one? Which one do you want?
Okay, spoiled dogs don't want anything.
Hi.
They just want our love. You want the mummy? That's Zoe's mummy. That's Zoe's. You have your bird. You get your dodo bird since you're a dodo. It's this. Here, let me show you. Okay, focus, focus. Okay, focus. Okay, so go here.
What?
Right, put your finger right here. Then slide down to 10.
Right here?
Yeah. Well, we gotta keep it straight. Yeah. So it goes. 10. No, you hit me 10, then 5, then open.
This is my best friend, this is my best friend, I love my best friend, I love my best friend.
Somebody's a little bit hungry. It's so funny, if you look carefully, she sticks her nose in there, she almost drowns herself. And it's not like you don't eat 40 times a day. Ugh, what was that?
Gotta give you guys your daily dose of the kitten cam. You're a hungry little one. Because you're getting so big, girl. Oh yeah. Check out that milk mustache. She's definitely getting bigger, if you guys can tell. Before she was like in the palm of my hand, and you could still see my hand.
The cup that we compared.
But she's getting much bigger. She looks a lot better than she did. Come here, you little cute thing.
Okay, so that's her now. Let's cut to when she was a little kitten. I think it was day 1 that we got her.
I don't even know if she was as tall as that,
No.
but she's getting so much better and so much bigger. She's this little snuggler. She's got quite an attitude and definitely is developing a really fun personality, but our little Hurricane Kitty's doing well. Yeah! I was telling Char earlier today when I walked into her room that she had, it looks like she hopefully stepped in her milk, I'm hoping that's what it was, then stepped in her litter box and then started walking all over the room because there was little kitty cat prints everywhere on the floor. And I'm hoping it wasn't that she stepped in pee and then, you know. I think we had the GoPro recording, so I'm not really sure. It was kind of funny and kind of cute at the same time, seeing all these little itsy bitsy tiny, like this big, not even that big, like this big, kitty cat prints all over the floor.
This cat thinks this blanket is her mom like crazy. This is all she does. It's actually pretty adorable. Kind of sad at the same time, but yeah, I think she's pretty taken care of. Apparently this cat really likes bacon.
Your friend.
She likes this thing.
I know.
She's not letting go. Okay, so before we go to bed, I want you to do something cool. Perhaps breakdance? Breakdance! There we go. Breakdance again. Or roll over like a turtle. Be a dinosaur. Oh, you still got it. There we go. You're still a little dinosaur. Dude, give me a paw. Good boy. Here you go. He's like, thank you. I gotta go finish today's video so that way Allie and I can have our movie night. We always try to watch a movie at night. That's just kind of our tradition, our unwinding tradition, I should say. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, with notifications. That's actually really key. And I will see you tomorrow. Good night. Bye.